I'll guide you through the exact steps to AirDrop files between iPhone and Android, proving that cross-platform sharing is finally seamless without any messy apps or cables. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Let's start with preparation for the quick share. On both your Android phone and iPhone, ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. On the Android device, go to Quick Share Settings and set device visibility to everyone or your contacts to ensure the iPhone can discover the Android device. To AirDrop files from Android to iPhone, on the Android, open your Gallery or Files app and select the content. Tap the share icon and select Quick Share. Wait for the iPhone's name to appear under Nearby Devices, then tap the iPhone's name. A prompt will appear on the iPhone screen. Tap Accept to save the file directly to your Photos or Files app. To AirDrop from iPhone to Android, on the iPhone, go to the Photos or Files app and select the content. Tap the standard share icon to open the sharing options. Look for the Android phone's name or the Quick Share icon in the device list and tap it to start sending the file to the Android receiver. On the Android device, a notification or prompt will appear. Tap Accept or Receive. Remember, Quick Share powers the functionality, but the seamless experience is identical to AirDrop. At the time of making this video, this feature worked on the Google Pixel 10 series, but we are seeing news that it will soon be available in the Samsung Galaxy S25 series with Snapdragon chipsets, the OnePlus 15, and the Nothing Phone 3 flagships. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond.
Click this card for more Android video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.